Hi everybody, my name's Emily and welcome to RVing Done Our Way. Today I'd like to talk about everything that we've done in the last 2 years that we've owned our 1989 Ford Fleetwood Flare. We've bought a lot of stuff. I have a bedroom that looks just like an Amazon storage unit, but eventually things will get put in and on the motorhome. So in the meantime, I figured I'd get a little inventory list going on, get a little price list going on, see how much I've spent so far. I did a video similar to this that you'll find up in the corner there last year at this time when we had only owned her for 1 year. At that time we had spent approximately $4,500 on stuff, and that includes buying her. She was cheap, only $3,000. But there's lots to do, lots to buy, and so if you like, come along and I'll show you what I've gotten so far. Step 1.
It's a hole!
Only 50 more to go.
Look how nice this looks. This garage is getting torn down. Fence will be all the way across. Man, this has been a project. It's getting there though. Little by little, we won't have to look at that mess. Did you see that number? Almost $10,000. I don't know how we manage to eat every day and spend that and pay our bills. Amazing. When there's a will, there's a way, right? Trust me, we live paycheck to paycheck around here, and 2020, as for everybody else, was a really hard year. So we did what we could, right? And we're going to continue. We're going to continue to move forward and continue to fix her up and continue to just get out there and do what we got to do in order to live our dream. Nobody said it was going to be cheap, but I promised everybody that I would be prepared. So that's what we're doing. We're getting prepared. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you subscribe and like, so that way you can keep following us and see what else we do. Talk to you soon. Mwah. Love and blessings to you all. Bye-bye.